Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. So today I'm just telling about the Mphasis onboarding update. So there was a good information for the candidate who have just received the 16th of August the onboarding mail, but not about the more candidate, but there is only the little bit candidate who have just received the onboarding next onboarding mail for the 16th of August 2023 in the next month. So guys, there was another mail for the candidate have received regarding the information for the joining and offer letter and onboarding update. So guys, in this video I'm just telling about the full information about the what type of another mail have candidate have received for their onboarding or joining mail in upcoming days, like in August session. There was another mail also candidate. So just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon. So this type of mail have received the candidate. We are excited to extend you this offer package. Please click here to view the offer and accept. We recommend you to read through it and electronically sign to accept your offer. Mphasis Global Recruiting Team. So guys, in this just mention they have just extend you this offer package. Your offer package was about their just something candidate have received the associate software engineer profile, or because before that there was a trainee associate software engineer profile. So after that they have received the associate software engineer profile. For the new package, there was a package have the increment about the salary also. There was some little bit about the mention in the salary and offer packet. It should be mentioned your enhanced salary about a CTC or something. All the it should be mentioned about them. After the click here, you will get the offer and accept. So guys, you have to accept this offer letter before it will be expire or something like that. And before this, somebody candidate also received about the document verification mail, because many candidates have received about the 16th of August joining mail. In upcoming days they also want to give the verification of the background also and document verification, because company again started their verification process for their document also, because many candidates have not submitted their last semester mark sheet also, and they have just submitted the provisional mark sheet. So this time the company is just asking about the original mark sheet or the original document for the graduation also, and 10th and 12th also. So guys, just prepare all your document. Again and again I'm just telling about in this video and every video where I just mentioned about the document verification and all about the background verification, because company have just starting their rejection or termination on the basis of the document verification and something like that. So guys, so you have got the information what I'm trying to say. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.